Welcome back, everybody. So I've got a quick gas can tip for you. As I'm sure you're aware, gas cans have just been getting worse and worse over the past 10 or 15 years. And there's two culprits with that, really. The first is this safety nozzle, which really just results in a lot of frustration and you being less safe. And the other thing is that it takes forever for the gas to empty because there's no vent anywhere on this gas can. Well, there's a way to fix that. Get yourself one of these easy pour spouts. It's got the traditional donkey dick filler spout and it comes with a little vent you can add to your can. Now I got this one at Tractor Supply, but you can get them on Amazon and auto parts stores too, I think. Several places. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is get rid of this thing. And now we need to drill a hole for the vent. Now the instructions say to either use a step bit or a spade bit like this for wood, and the size is 1/2 inch. I don't know if I want to drill directly on this seam. That might be a little sketchy, so I'm gonna move over here and see how it works. All right, now that we have a nice clean hole here, we just pop the vent in. Requires some gentle persuasion. Oh, that's nice and tight. Looking good. Now we need to make sure we get all the plastic out of the can. Sounds like we got it all out. So the kit comes with two different base caps. You have to figure out which one actually fits on your can. It looks like the yellow one fits on this can, so we just discard that. You put your filler nozzle through there. Oh, and I should point out that it does have a little flame arrestor in here, so you're still safe-ish. Now this little strap right here is for retaining the little end cap. Just wrap it around the corrugation, pull it through the little loop thingy over the lady lumps, and stick it through the top cap. And now this little thingy is retained. Screw this bad mamma jamma down, and you actually have a real functioning gas can. Now trust me, this is a big improvement. Try it out, you're gonna love it.
Check out that thick, powerful stream.